Hello friends, welcome back to Market Market. Today is 22nd July and I'm back again with another update. So we reviewed the price action on Nifty over the weekend, friends. This is where the week ended, and since then 3 days have passed: Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All 3 days have been the Monday and Tuesday, especially. We saw very small range candles, but with gap up opening, driven by some news. Like yesterday, it was due to HDFC Bank results, and day before yesterday, not very sure. So it's been a bit news driven, and we have seen a lot of gap up openings, but on open we have seen very small movements during the day, and so the small range candles being formed here. And today markets again opened gap up little above 11,200 and started correcting from the word go. Towards the end of the day there was some recovery, but overall the candle that is formed on Nifty daily chart today is pretty bearish. This is comparable to this candle here, friends, again. So this also happened on top of the this trend leg, and then we saw some retracement. So not sure if we'll see a deep correction here, or will it take some support here where Nifty consolidated previously. Let's see, but I think a retracement is due. That this trend leg also looks pretty exhausted, and does not look to have a lot of strength left. So let's see if it starts consolidating here again around the same price. If you start seeing again a very small range candles here again going sideways, then maybe the markets may be preparing for a breakout. But if this down move continues, and if we see some reaction like this, then maybe we'll see some retracement. Again, the retracement can be shallow again, like the last two retracements we have had, or could be deep. Right, friends. So let's look at the indicators to see what they say. So RSI indicates the markets are clearly overbought. Yesterday it was 72 and today it is 71. So markets are clearly in a overbought zone. There is no divergence as such. RSI has made a new high with every trend leg. There is no divergence as such, but maybe we'll see some retracement. Even the MACD is showing very flat, very low, very flat momentum. There's no change in momentum. It is actually moving with the same momentum over the last few days. There is no new momentum high on the MACD. Right, friends. So as far as the support and resistances are concerned, we have 11,370 as a resistance, and on the support side 11,200 SMA, under which markets did consolidate for a few days. 20 EMA, 200 EMA, and 50 EMA. So a lot of support available at the bottom, and this is one resistance here. This was also a gap that was formed during the correction, so this may act as a resistance. Right, friends. So overall, looks pretty bearish. Today's candle looks pretty bearish. I expect to see some retracement, deep or shallow, but there should be some retracement given that the markets are clearly in an overbought zone. But if you end up seeing a consolidation here, again small candles getting formed and sideways movement, then maybe markets are preparing for a breakout to 11,370. Right, friends. So we'll review again as the days pass. Tomorrow is expiry day as well, so it would be interesting to see what's going to happen with this structure. So thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.